Alright guys, welcome back again. This is Banky Crypto 9. In this video I have another platform for you, just like the other ones that I've been sharing with you, that you have been making a lot of money on. So in this one, this is called OXY-Oil-VIP. So on this platform, this is it's just exactly like the other ones that I've been sharing with you. So this is how you go with the investment on this platform. You can see here they have up to 9 investment plan. They have up to 9 plan for their investment, and the minimum here is $30. Don't worry, it's not 30 you are going to deposit. You are not going to deposit $30. All you need to deposit is just $16, because when you register they are going to give you $14 for free. $14 for free. So you just have to deposit $16 to make it $30. If you want to go with the VIP2, all you need to do is to deposit 64 dollars. I mean $66. So that is it. You can see it here. This is the information right here. $14 will be given to you for free. For that level 1, you just have to deposit $16 to make it $30. So if you are going for the level 2, all you need to deposit is just $66. This is it right here, $66. You can see if you are going for the VIP 3, all you need to deposit is $266. If you are going for VIP 4, you deposit $666, and that is it. You can see what you will be earning through them. For that VIP 1, you'll be earning $2 daily. For VIP 2, you'll be earning $9 daily. VIP 3, you'll be earning $38 daily. VIP 4, you'll be earning $103 daily. Like that. That is just how it works. That is just everything, how it works with this site. So if you want to start it, this is how you're going to do it. This is just how you're going to do it. And remember, you will be making this money for 100 days. You'll be making it for 100 days only if this platform lasts for 100 days. So if you are seeing this platform right now, if you are seeing this video right now, take the opportunity, as it is new, very new. It was just launched today. So to recharge, all you need to do is to click recharge button here. Click on that recharge button. You will see the account you have to recharge to. Is either you select USDT BEP20 or TRC20, depend on the one you want to go for. You can see I click on the USDT TRC20 right now. The wallet address, this is the wallet address for it. If I click on BEP20, you will see that the wallet address will be changed. So you can see the wallet address has been changed. So you just have to click on the wallet address, copy it, then go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Go to your Trust wallet or any of your crypto exchange wallet. Then send the money into it. If you are going for this one, remember, $16, that is what you are going to pay, not 30, because they have give you $14 for free. This one you pay $66. Why this one you pay $266 like that. So after that, if you want to perform your task, this is what you are going to do. Let's say you want to perform your task. All you need to do is to click on so to make a withdrawal, click here. Let's first bind our wallet address, or if you want to withdraw direct, just click here, but let's bind our wallet address here now. So I will click on electronic wallet, click on add to, Now we want to bind our USDT BEP20 wallet address, or you can select TRC20 in case you want to withdraw to your TRC20 wallet address. But for now, I want to withdraw to my BEP20 wallet address. So I will go to my Trust wallet right now and copy the address code and paste it here. Then my transaction password, I will put it here, then click on submit to bind my wallet address. So this is me here on my wallet, on my Trust wallet. You can see I only have $1.8 here. I withdraw it today from one of the platforms like this. Check the video I posted before this one, you will see the video where I withdraw this from. So after that, I click on receive, and I've received, copy my wallet address and go back to the site and paste it there. So paste, then input your transaction password and click on submit. So as you can see, successful change. So right now what you need to do is to make our withdrawal. I click on withdraw right now. I want to withdraw $2 right now. So what you need to do is to input the amount you want to withdraw here, select the account you are withdrawing to. I'm withdrawing to my BEP20, so I will select my BEP20. So in here you are going to input your withdrawal password, then click on withdraw now and click on withdraw now. As you can see, withdrawal successful. So right now let me show you the withdrawal history. Let me find it if I can see it. So I think I will see it right up here, withdrawal history. Click on it and you can see it here. Withdrawal, you can see it here. Check, you can click on check and you also still see it transferred. That means this money has been transferred to my wallet. I will go back to my wallet right now and you are going to see the wallet, the money there in my Trust wallet. So let's go back there. So you can see that this wallet has turned to $3.8. This is the $2 right here. You can see it. If you click on it, you can see it. See the time I receive it. Check the time above. So that is it. That is just how the platform works. That is just how it works. So that is just how it works. So if you are interested, don't forget to join it. Don't forget to join it. Remember, you are not to deposit $30 in the VIP one. Deposit $16. That is what you are going to deposit. You are not to deposit $30. Remember that always. That is what you're going to deposit. So that is just it. That is it. By this time tomorrow, or when this countdown ends, I'm going to make another withdrawal again on this site. So that is just it. That is just how the platform works. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye for now.